Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. A little sleepy, but I'm here.
Same here. Morning coffee didn't help much.
So, Alex, what are we talking about today?
Hello, my friends. If you hesitate when someone asks, "How was your day?" this episode is for you. Today's topic is Speak Confidently with the Simple Present, Daily Routine English for Beginners. By the end, you'll talk through your entire day smoothly and naturally.
Hi, Alex. I'm happy to be back. But first, can you clarify something for me?
Of course. What's your question?
What's the difference between wake up and get up?
Good question, Sarah. They're small verbs, but the difference matters. Wake up means your eyes open. You stop sleeping. Get up means you leave the bed and start your day.
So first I wake up, then I get up. Got it. One more thing, Alex. When do we use the present simple tense?
We usually use the present simple to talk about daily routines, habits, repeated actions, and facts. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. She goes to school every day. Or the sun rises in the east.
2 and 2 make 4.
Exactly. You wake up at 7, but you might get up at 7:20.
Yes, that's me every day.
Same here. Okay, now that we're awake, let's practice daily routines using the simple present tense. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you know what a daily routine means?
No. Tell me about it.
It means the actions we do every single day, like waking up, eating breakfast, and going to school. To discuss these everyday actions, we use the simple present tense. Let's practice what we do first thing in the morning, step by step. Let's start with your morning. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
Good. Slowly again.
I wake up at 7.
Perfect. Now, what do you do after waking up?
Ugh. I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Now, both sentences together.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth.
Excellent. After brushing, what's next?
I wash my face and take a shower.
Wonderful. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about mistakes.
Yes, sir. But sometimes I forget words.
That's normal. Use simple words, repeat slowly, and focus on communication, not perfection.
I see. Sometimes I feel nervous when others speak fast.
Many students feel that. Speak at your own speed. Slow and clear is always better than fast and confusing. After your shower, what do you do?
I eat breakfast.
Great. What do you eat?
I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I drink milk.
Okay. Repeat. I eat eggs and bread. I drink milk.
I eat eggs and bread. I drink milk.
Excellent. And after breakfast?
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
Nice. What do you do at school?
I study English. I write. I read. I talk to my friends.
Let's put the morning and school routine together. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school At 8, I study English. I talk to my friends.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I study English. I talk to my friends.
Very good. Clear and confident. After school, what do you do?
I come home at 1 o'clock. I eat lunch with my family.
Perfect. After lunch?
I take a rest. I watch TV.
Excellent. And in the evening?
I do my homework. I help my mother.
Wonderful, Sara. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Your English is improving. Now it's story time. Do you know Emily, Sara?
Yes, I know her. She is my friend. Okay, let's talk about Emily's story. Emily comes home at 1 o'clock. She eats lunch with her family. After lunch, she rests for a while. Then she goes to the park. She walks, runs, and plays with her friends. Emily likes the fresh air and the sunshine. She talks and laughs with her friends. After 1 hour, she comes home. She feels happy and ready to do her homework.
Great. Let's practice a few sentences from the story. Repeat after me. Emily comes home at 1 o'clock.
Emily comes home at 1 o'clock.
She eats lunch with her family.
She eats lunch with her family.
She goes to the park and plays with her friends.
She goes to the park and plays with her friends.
She feels happy and ready to do her homework.
She feels happy and ready to do her homework.
Stories like this are fun and help you use English in real life. Remember, small stories make learning easier and more enjoyable. Tell me about your night.
I eat dinner. I read a book. I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Great. That's your full daily routine.
Yes, but sometimes my friends laugh when I speak English.
It's normal, Sara. Keep speaking. Smile, practice, and don't worry about mistakes. Now, let's move to the next key part of the episode.
And what's that, Alex?
The rules of the present simple.
Rules for what, exactly?
For building clear, correct sentences when we talk about daily routines.
Got it. That makes sense. Go ahead.
About the rules, for I, you, we, and they use the base verb. For he, she, and it, add s or es.
Okay, Alex, tell me, what do you mean by base form?
When I say base form, I mean the verb in its simple, original form. No s, no es, no changes. Examples: go, eat, wake up, study, work. That's the base form.
Oh, yes. Sometimes I forget the S.
No problem. Repeat after me. I play football.
I play football.
Change to he.
He plays football.
One more. I study English.
I study English.
She studies English.
She studies English.
Excellent. When verbs end in y, change y into ies.
Yes, sir. I understand. What's next?
Let's practice questions with do and does. Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Does she like music?
Yes, she does.
Do they play football?
No, they don't. No, they don't. So, Alex, you mean we use does with he, she, it, or any singular name?
Exactly. And we use do with I, you, we, they, or any plural name.
Can you give me some examples?
Sure. I don't watch TV. He doesn't watch TV. We don't play football. She doesn't play football. See the pattern? Base form after don't and doesn't.
Perfect. Small questions help you speak naturally. Let's move to the next part.
Tell me about your family.
I have 4 people. My father works in an office. My mother cooks food. My brother studies in school. I study English.
Great. What time does your father go to work?
He goes at 9. He gets back home at 6.
And your mother?
She cooks lunch and cleans the house.
Perfect. Using he, she, plus s or es correctly. Let's move to the next part. Repeat after me. I like apples. I don't like bananas.
I like apples. I don't like bananas.
She likes tea. He doesn't like milk.
She likes tea. He doesn't like milk.
Remember, after doesn't, don't add s. Now, tell me about your full day.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I study English. I play with my friends. I come home at 1 o'clock. I eat lunch. I take a rest. I do my homework. I watch TV. I eat dinner. I read a book. I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Wonderful. Almost perfect. Clear, confident, and correct. Hey, dear listeners. Learning English is a journey, and every small step that you take brings you closer to confidence. Speak slowly, practice every day, and don't fear mistakes. They are proof that you're learning. If you love improving your English with us, hit that subscribe button now and never miss a lesson. Let's grow together, one sentence at a time.
Yes, I feel confident now.
Remember, speak slowly, smile, and practice every day. You will improve.
Thank you, Alex. I will.
Keep smiling and keep learning. See you in the next lesson. And in the comments, where are you watching us? And tell us your full daily routine. We'll reply to each one.
Stay well, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.